not Casey's, that's the school.
837 confirmed tornadoes in the U.S. in 2016. 12 people dead. Mayfield, Kentucky, Pensacola, Florida, and Chapman, Kansas. On March 1, 2007, an EF3 tornado demolished a high school, killing 8 students following their designated tornado protocol. The April 25th through 28th, 2011 tornado outbreak was the largest and deadliest ever recorded, affecting the southern, midwestern, and northeastern United States, and leaving catastrophic destruction in its wake. In total, 358 tornadoes were confirmed by the National Weather Service. This event was one of the costliest natural disasters in United States history. May 2nd through the 8th of 1999, 50 people lost their lives in the Midwest when outbreaks of tornadoes spread across the land. 7 days of destruction with no protection, no assurance of life. Structural failure is evident in a state of emergency like this. Flying debris, collapsing buildings, and winds that won't stop are just some of the elements that can endanger anybody caught in a storm. Introducing the VAST6, a collapsible protection that will keep you safe in a tornado emergency scenario. Not only is the VAST6 bolted to the floor, the overhead has 500-ton debris protection and meets the F5 tornado debris requirements from FEMA. The VAST6 does not consume a large area of the classroom when not in use, but ready for entry within 20 seconds. Before we venture inside, let's discuss the shell. VAST6 is shrouded by UL 752 Level 8 and NIJ Level 3 standard ballistic panels. It does not spall on inside wall. There is no electrical conductivity, nor radio or cellular signal blockage. The VAST6 collapses to 28 inches thick. The rest of the vault expands from that point. The VAST6 standard features include complete floor and roof, 12 hours of battery backup, 2-tone audible alarm, and supplemental USB power, touchscreen control monitor, intake and exhaust fans, interior lights. To open the VAST6, release lever number 1. Release lever number 2. And 3, simply pull the handles in the front. Imagine crouched in a bathroom holding onto your loved one for dear life 1 second and having them ripped from your hands the next. There are 15 students in your class and you cannot even begin to protect them in a tornado situation. Nobody thinks it will be their school, their town. Nobody thinks it will be them. For the cost of 1 good meal for a family, this protection for 1 occupant can be put into every classroom and every school in the country. Even this cost can be reduced with FEMA grant money. Most of you who are watching this are parents. There are 180 days in the school year. How many of those days do you worry about your children when you drop them off? What is your peace of mind worth? More importantly, what is your life worth? For more information, visit www.big6llp.com.